Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Welcome to the newsletter. There is a lot going on at Jetbuilt and I'm going to take you through it really quickly. First up, the project summary page. This is a brand new page inside of each and every one of your projects. Jetbot puts this page together for you, but it's a fantastic way if you're on a team and someone else has designed a project and you step into that project, perhaps you're a management or executive or a team member coming from other projects, and you're not exactly sure what the project's purpose is, rather than digging through the builder and the scopes of work and all the things, this summary page at a glance gives you an idea of here was the goal of the project, here's what we're supposed to accomplish, here's how we're getting it done, here's all the systems, here's all the spaces, and how each of those spaces contributes to the overall solution for that project. So real nice at a glimpse view of the project for within your team. But it goes further than that. If you use Jetbot Recommend as a way to streamline the initial population of your project, and you ask it to make a project like what we did over there last year, other than let's add this other room that does this and this, and it will populate all those items as a starting point for you. This summary page is a fantastic way where Jetbot tells you, here's what I understood that you wanted, and here's the way I delivered that, and now you can get in there and do your thing to it and finish up that project the way you like. So it's a great way to hand it off from Jetbot to you. Finally, we are also developing, and we're in final testing, pushing these pages to the designer so you can include them in your proposals. They become nice little brochures for the project as a way to help your end user clients understand that project on a kind of on a system and solution level. Next up is Summit this fall in Denver, Colorado. We are so excited to get together with you. Many of you are registered, and those of you who are not, maybe you didn't know that there was a thing called Summit coming up. But it is a great time where the Jetbuilt community, many of you, many of us, we get together for 2 days, 2.5 days, whatever it is, and just talk about everything Jetbuilt, exploring workflows, existing and future, and answer the hard questions and the big questions, and communicate, and generally have a great time talking about Jetbuilt and other things. So you can register here for that. Also, we have a new part of our launch list, which you can follow along with on the website. We just made a big launch, and that is a new client page, or at least we've remodeled the client page in a pretty major way. Now, the information column and the timeline column scroll individually. You can also collapse the blocks on the information column. So this page becomes much more interactive and much more fun to use. So enjoy that, along with many other things we've launched, which are all in the launch list you can check out there. What's another thing? CEDIA, also in Denver, coincidentally, a few weeks before Summit. CEDIA, the world's biggest residential AV show, and I know they're also blending a lot of commercial with it, so many of both sides come to the show. We're looking forward to seeing you in Denver, and come on by and say hi. We'll be showing you all sorts of new things like Recommend and everything else inside Jetbuilt. So, okay, there it is. I promise I'd make it quick. Hopefully I succeeded. Thank you again for using Jetbuilt. We will see you next time.